This is.
Oh, you guys are.
This is launching this week.
Okay, good.
It's a hybrid formula caulk, which is a very advanced caulk formulation. It's waterproof, extremely durable, a lot of adhesion and bonding power. It's cleanable.
Okay, so it's interior?
Interior, exterior.
And exterior, okay.
It is UV resistant. But when you look at different types of caulks, whether it's latex, acrylic, silicones, they all have certain downsides.
Sure.
The hybrid formulation has a very, you maximize the benefits of several types of caulks,
right,
and you limit the downside.
Okay.
So if you're a layperson going into the store looking for a caulk, you don't know what you want, the Flex Caulk would be a great choice because it's going to work on a very wide variety of applications.
Good.
The other part, and I'll let you do this, Steve, is you do not need a caulking gun.
So I see that, yeah.
So it's in a pressurized can, has an adjustable trigger flow nozzle. So, yep, you can put it right there, depress, kind of match your speed to the output. Wow. And you get a perfect bead every time.
It's easier to use than having to go all the time.
Very easy to use. The other part is, what stays in the pressurized can does not go bad. So, where the traditional cartridge, you're probably going to throw out a bunch of product. This stays preserved in the can for future use.
Good.
And it's available in in white and clear.
White and clear, okay.
Yep.
Cool.
So yeah, that's our hot new product coming out this week.
Sounds good.
Stay tuned to YouTube. Probably around Thursday, there'll be an awful lot of
there's my
coverage
card
on it. Thank you.
So check out our channel. If you subscribe, your video will be on there for the show.
Yeah.
Maybe on a short as well.
Okay.
So.
Awesome.
All right.
Thanks for coming by, guys.
Thank you.
Take care.
Pleasure meeting you.
Have a good show. Going this way.